The following is a short educational video that covers the WDIE. Always remove the battery from tool before installing dies. The following tools are compatible to use with WDIEs: MD6, MD7, PAT MD6, PAT 500 SJ, and PAT 600. Depress the die button and center die into die holder and release die button. Ensure die is interlocked with die holder by moving back and forth. The W28K die is a cutting W die. Install the same way you would with any other W die. WDIE crimps are UL and CSA listed when used with the BURNDY engineered system. WDIEs are sold separately and in WDIE kits. Thank you for watching our short instructional video on WDIEs.